Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure source maps for better crash debugging. Begin by ensuring you have the necessary tools installed. Open your project directory in your preferred code editor. Locate your build tool configuration file. If you're using Webpack, open the webpack.config.js file. Look for the section that defines the output properties. Add or modify the DevTool property to include source maps. For development purposes, you can set it to source map. If you're in production, consider using hidden source map to keep sources private. Next, save the configuration file. If you're using a different build tool, refer to its documentation for configuring source maps. Once configured, rebuild your project to generate the source map files. After the build process, check the output directory for .map files. Now, open your browser's developer tools. Navigate to the Sources tab. Ensure your source maps are loaded correctly. You should see your original source files instead of the minified versions. If you encounter issues, verify the paths in the generated source maps. Check for any errors in the console that may indicate problems with the build. Run your application and replicate the crash you want to debug. When the application crashes, examine the stack trace shown in the developer tools. You should now see references to the original source files. This will make it easier to trace the source of the error. Inspect the specific lines of code indicated in the stack trace. Make your necessary code adjustments based on your observations. Finally, rebuild your project and test again to confirm the issue is resolved. Source maps should now significantly enhance your debugging process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.